Two keepers. Chocolate girl right there. You know who that is. It's 304. I know who that is, you know. It's 304. Chocolate girl, she got the thick one. Watch. She got the thick one right there. Watch my tell y'all. She got the thick. Watch. Straight bull. She act just like her Aunt Blue. I'm telling y'all, this how her Aunt Blue used to act when she was a baby. When they was nursing. Bull, just like that. I swear to a lot of y'all not. She just seemed like the chocolate version. I hope so. I really do. That's what I'm looking for. The chocolate version of Blue. She looking beefy like how Blue look and everything. A little beefy, I'll tell you the truth. I like her rear now. Niggas looking at her now. One thing I like is that rear. I like it for some reason. I like it. My other keeper female right there with the white neck. She's small. She's tiny. So again, she probably be slim. But her right there, that's chocolate blue right there. Hershey's Kiss right there. Foxy Brown. Not even sure which one. Hershey's Kiss or Foxy Brown. Just like how that's how Blue used to come. Bulldoze into the nipple. Girl right there. It's 304. Platinum. Got me one. Thanks to her lilac brother. Yeah, boy. I just love this chocolate girl right here, though. Love her. Look at her. Look at her. I like her head. Like her head, the thickness, and the shape of it so far. Love it. Two girls right there. Keep both of them around. Might do white neck on the core. Keep Foxy Brown here. Keep that. Got three females, keeping all three of them. Inbred, gotta stay home. Foundation right here.